Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. So if you want to remove a Google account from your Android phone, maybe you are selling your phone, switching accounts, or just cleaning things up, here I'm going to show you how you can remove a Google account on your Android safely and easily. But quick warning before we start, removing a Google account will also remove the emails, contacts, app data synced to that account from your phone, so make sure your important data is backed up. So first you can open settings on your Android phone and then select uh, Google, or you can also just find accounts in here, users and accounts, and here select Google, and you can just tap on the account that you want to remove. So for example, I'm going to remove this one. You can just click on it, and in here you'll see the options to remove account. You can just tap on remove account and confirm. So your phone may ask for a pin, pattern, or fingerprint. You can just enter it and then Google account will be removed. And the second method, you can also remove Google account before factory reset. So if you're planning to factory reset your phone, always remove your Google account first. And this will prevent FRP lock and make sure the next user can set up the phone without issues. But what if the remove account is grayed out? So if the remove button is disabled, you can check if the account is the primary device account or managed by family link or a work profile. And you may need to remove the profile first. So that's how you can remove a Google account from an Android phone. If this helped you, give it a like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.